Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're making my famous taco pie. This might be one of the most popular recipes on my blog, and it's also incredibly popular with my family. So first, all we have to do is brown the meat. So once your meat is mostly browned, you just put in about 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. You can make your own. I have a recipe for this in my book, The Everyday Ketogenic Kitchen, or you can buy some, but make sure that it doesn't have any starches or sugars or anything extra in it. And really you just need to mix it around a little, get it all mixed in and coated, and then we're gonna put it into our pie pan. And I like to use glass or ceramic pie pans. I think that things don't stick as much and I don't brown things as badly as I would on metal. Moving this out of the way, and we're going to transfer everything to our pie pan. You just dump it all in and spread it out kind of evenly, but don't pack it down because you're going to pour over the egg mixture and you're going to want it to go in between the ground meat. So don't pack it down. Okay, we can just push this out of the way for a second and mix up our egg mixture. For my shells, so I use 6 eggs, 6 large eggs for this. And now I'm going to put half a cup of heavy whipping cream in, 2 cloves of garlic nicely minced, and some salt and pepper. I just eyeball the salt and pepper, but I'd say it's about half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon pepper. Now just simply whisk it all together, breaking up your yolks. It's almost like making a frittata or a quiche. It's the same kind of ingredients in that. Get it just pretty consistent, and then pour it over your meat. And you know, the taco seasoning typically has salt in it, so you don't necessarily have to add a lot of salt to your egg mixture. And I'm gonna kind of pat it down a little, make sure the meat's in there and evenly distributed. And then we're gonna top it with cheese. I like Mexican shredded cheese, like a Mexican blend. I think this has Colby Jack and some cheddar in it, maybe. You just sprinkle it over. And you can use as much cheese as you like if you want more. I usually do about a cup. And you're gonna pop it into a 350 oven for half an hour. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. You want it to be nice and puffed and golden brown when it comes out of the oven. There it is. It smells so good. It smells just like taco, perfect for Taco Tuesday. And we like to serve it with things like sour cream, maybe some guacamole, some chopped tomatoes. It's perfect for all of those toppings. For the full recipe, visit alldayidreamaboutfood.com or see it in my book, The Everyday Ketogenic Kitchen.